Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's topic is about how to deliver a short speech in English. We can express our feelings and thoughts in two ways. One is conversational English, the other one is short speech. As far as the conversational English is concerned, it is a little bit easy to converse in English, but whereas speech mode or short speech or monologue is a little bit complicated. So without enough practice, it is not possible for us to deliver a short speech in English. In conversation, we can give just yes or no, and we can give short responses. Whereas in short speech, it is not possible for us to do so. So we need to give detailed explanation. So for which we need to do a lot of practice. For example, in the conversational English, if someone asks you, "Do you understand?" we can simply say yes, yes I do, or yes, or no I don't. We can give this kind of expressions, or even we can give we can use our body language. But in the short response, it's so easy. Whereas this short speech, we have to explain everything in detail, and you should be able to give detailed explanation regarding the topic which are given to you. Now I am going to choose a topic called the importance of English language, or why should we learn English. This is my topic today. This is called short speech or monologue or speech mode. Now I will explain you how to deliver a short speech in English. It is entirely different from that conversational English. As I have already pointed out, the conversational English a little bit easy for us. There is no need to make a lot of practice in it, but in the short speech we should practice a lot. Let me start now. English language is an international language, and it is very very important, and most of the people in the world speak English. It is an important, and this language is spoken by everyone in the education institution, in the business world, everywhere. So if we have to be fluent in English, we should learn. It's our second language. Most of the people learn English as our second language. It is spoken by the entire India as well as the world. So English helps us in many ways. In order to get a good employment opportunity, English is quite essential for us. If you are fluent in English, we can easily get selected by many foreign companies or MNC or any other companies, and it is used by us in the educational institution, and it is an official language of India, and it helps us to communicate with one another in English. So it is helpful for us in several ways. Every one of us must develop our English communication skills so as to communicate with the people in the world, and it plays a vital role in the employment opportunity, especially in MNC companies, and we should learn it, especially the spoken English, and we must have very good skills in spoken English so that we can make use of the very good employment opportunities which are available. And dear students, now I have delivered you a short speech, and in this way I want you to practice at least 2 minutes every day by choosing any title as per your choice. And it is one of the best ways to develop our English communication, especially that is short speech or monologue. And it is very important. Without enough practice, it is not possible for us to deliver such a short speech. We should practice a lot. You can choose any title as per your choice, and you just practice daily for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes. If you keep practicing like this for a certain period of time, I am sure that you can become a fluent speaker. All you need to do is to practice a lot. You may choose any titles, like any objects, like not only the importance of English language. As per your choice, you may choose. Let me give you some examples like television, education, and any nouns you can choose, and you can just talk about it for a few minutes, and you will notice your improvement day by day. In case of any mistakes, you can just watch your video and rectify the errors yourself. By means of practicing like this for a certain period of time, you can be fluent in English. It is one of the best ways to improve our English communication skills. Thank you so much for watching my video.